ENT got the spine. M on M, millions on mine. I got the slam, pot of them. Shorty had me drip, pot of them. Put it on the jet, out of here. 2024, out here. I'm paramedics, killing them. Stepping on their necks, you really him. Louis leather vest, nigga Trump. Running up a check, stacking them. Yeah, hold on.
Lay down. You're so sassy. I wanna drink it up until like Pepsi. Let me know if you gon' let me. I gave some pussy, now you gon' be sassy. I give you this stick, you better come correctly. You pretty as shit, like, won't you come and let me? Top 5 on your 16, said like, won't you come and sex me? Pussy APs, I'm gonna test me. You gon' hold him up and get me. For sure. Pussy wetty like spaghetti, I'm tryna put dick in your belly. You can meet me at the crib, cause I ain't not getting no telly. I can hit you with a cash out, I can hit you with a zelly. I'm top of petty, my ass fast, fuck these bitches gonna tell me. For sure. When she do it back, I'ma jack that, then I make her kick a welly. She even had like a snapback, wrote it till they some Pirellis. Let me get me on Snapchat, she can never get my celly. You can't even get my Snapchat, making me up on celly. Lay down.
Hey, you know I'll give me a G. This shit heavy. And making it put on the T. If y'all disrespect me, yes.
You know. Yeah, she know.
Lay down.
When you're with Amex, you can use the app to seamlessly split purchases with other Venmo or PayPal users.
I don't know what type of shit is that? With the gold rims? Or that's the Aventador S? That's alright. That gotta be a rental or some shit, because he's driving it so calm. Uh-oh, look at the Lambo.
I get what I received.
Aventador S right here. Hope you guys see this. That thing looks beautiful. that thing is gorgeous. Damn. That's what I'm saying, bro. People talk crap about people that get just an Aventador, but you could have just as much fun in that, even if you don't have the SVJ. Like, I honestly hate that the car scene has turned into, like, if you don't have the top model in the class, then it's like, why'd you buy it, right? It's like, people say, oh, why did you get the Huracan? The Huracan's the most reliable Lamborghini that they have. Out of all the other models, it's the most reliable. You will never have problems with it. As long as you stay up to date with maintenance, you will never have problems. Like,